Morning everybody, I just thought I'd give you a quick update on the Skoda. There's one or two little jobs I want to get done on it today, and we'll take a look round it and see how it's fared over these last few months. You remember that I polished it a few months back and it hadn't really turned out too bad. I mean, it's probably going to want doing again at some point, but all in all the red stayed red and the black stayed black. A bit close to the fence here really to see much, but yeah, it's not looking so bad at all. Nothing's dropped off it yet either, which is I guess is a bonus. Yeah, so the polishing didn't really turn out too bad. Looking rather smart. So what I want to get done today, this door card's going to have to come off. I'm going to pull this door card off because the latch has come loose from its fitting. Ta-da, like so. So I'm going to repair that. And one job I've been trying to get around to for a bit and trying to find some time is to stick these badges back on. I think I've done nearly 1,000 miles in this car since I got it. What are we on there? 1913. When I got it off Ian, it said 915, so I'm just a couple of miles short of 1,000 miles. So I think we'll have bonnet up and just check oil and water and things. If I can remember where it catches. It's under here somewhere, bear with me. Oh, got it. I'm just going to have to put you down a minute while I get this bonnet up. Have a good look at its wheel. So it's done just short of 1,000 miles since I got it. Wants a bit of water, it's used a bit of water, so I've done some antifreeze in that. Brake fluid's down a bit, that's going to want investigating. If that's leaking, it's probably, I would guess, a rear brake cylinder. See if we can see anything. Nothing showing there at the minute. Or there. Further investigations will have to be had. It's standing up pretty well under here. If you remember, Ian had it wax oiled. It's really, really solid under here. Yeah, she's standing up well. Anyway, oil and water. So we need a drop of antifreeze. I ain't got no brake fluid, I'll keep my eye on that. Washer fluid bottle, that leaks because I filled that up not long ago, and I suspect it's probably leaking at one of these motors somewhere down bottom. It's still looking pretty tidy under here and all. Zoomed in, aren't you? There you go. Anyway, oil. Let's see what it's used. Put you back down there. I'm going to put this in a more awkward place if I tried. Never mind, upwards and onwards. Yeah, it's going to want a drop of oil, if you can see that or not. So that's on halfway. That's going to want a pint of so in it. I'll deal with that after. Yeah, So, on with that door card. You remember I bought myself a Puma. There it is. So I've got this tax and it's on the road and I've been knocking about in it. It's really nice actually, it's quite pleasant to drive, it's quite nippy. Everything works like it should. But have I bought a bag of rust? I don't know. So what I'm going to do at some point is make an in-depth video on this car. Don't know if there's any love for the Puma, but I like it and that's why I bought it. It's pretty level on the body. And the Mondeo still remains with me. I've had no takers on this yet, I'm selling Mondeo. Somebody asked me the other day, why am I driving around in a hairdresser's car? I said, well, just because I can. Never mind. Yeah, I quite like that. And hopefully it might soon be bye-bye to the Mondeo. Anyway, back to... And the transit's round the back. I'm coupled up to a Caravan I bought recently. It's classed as a motor caravan. On logbook is this van. I think I've had it about 5 years now. Done tons at it. Cost me a fortune. Like I say, it's a motor caravan. I'll just have a show you a quick look inside. I did do a video on it not long back, but there's some changes I want to make. I've got to get things sorted out in here because I want to remove that seat there. So that's where the dogs are going to live when we come out in them, because they have to be in their beds and restrained. It's a bit dark in here, along the back door. Yeah, so I'm going to make some changes in here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this seating area out, so I can get the 4 dogs' beds in, and put some harness points on the floor because they have to be restrained in the UK in a vehicle. I'm going to change this bed in here, this settee here. And it's got a water heater in here for hot water, and it works on gas and 240. I've got my cupboards there. And then here I used to have a sink with a fridge under and a grill on top. Then the partition board up here, and round that corner there used to be a sink on the wall there, and porta potty used to be underneath. But what I'm going to do in this back end, I've got loads of tackle and I can't get in my shed, so I'm going to build a load of rack in here to get all my tackle in, and then in this back corner used to be a shower unit, so I'm going to leave that fitting in there, and I'm going to fit a sink surface across here. It's going to come out quite a way, probably come out to about here. Then underneath, that's the area where I'll put the porta potty. And I've got to get all this done because I'm going to, it's now the 31st of May 2019, and I want this ready and altered for the 1st of September. So the back end of August I'm going to be going to Belgium, to the F1 Formula 1 Grand Prix at Spa Francorchamps. So I best get my finger out and get this sorted. But anyway, back to the Skoda. So it's looking like this section will flip out. I'll get a screwdriver behind there and have a look at that. That cap will flip off and there'll be a screw behind there. What have we got here? A screw at bottom and a clip. Pull that up. Screw there. One there. Clip there. And a clip there. So I'll get some tackle together and I'll get this panel off. Screwdrivers, let's get this panel off. Okay, check.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, this is coming off easier than I thought it would. That's the panel off. Let's see, something else has been in here at some point, be looking, so it's probably fallen off in the past. And so what the problem is, this has come out of its fitting, maybe broke. I'll have to carton and see. It looks like I'm going to have to take this cover off here so I can get to this tie rod, so I'll crack on with that. So I've got this cover out of the way, and you're not going to be able to see this, I don't think, but behind here this clips into a fitting, so it comes through the door, down here, and then clips into a fitting at the back there. All very tight for getting your hands in, but I'll crack on. Right, I'll put the cover back on, but this isn't going to stay on because it's going to need a new clip. So I'm going to have to come back to this job at a later date. I'll take the door catch off, get that out, get the new clip fitted into this that this slots into, and then we should be good to go. But at the minute, that is a fail. So I'll get it all back together. I think that's better in that position, like the one on the driver's door. All in one. Well, that was not a waste of time, but never mind. Panel's back on, we now know what the problem is, so I know how to deal with it at a later date. So, after that fail, let's get on with the badges and see if I can mess that up. So it's badges to go back on, Estate LXI, but according to the logbook, this is an LXIE. And does the E mean estate, I wonder? In the logbook it says, and I can find it. Where are we going? So this is the Skoda. And it says, you see this? Favorit LXIE Fairline. So it's either been incorrectly badged up from the beginning, or it's just had a replacement badge at some point put on it. But anyway, we'll get on with sticking them on. So I'm going to stick these back on with this double-sided tape, and it's just the type of stuff that you'd use for sticking number plates onto cars or caravans or trailers. So first of all, I need to get some of this off the back, get myself a piece in, and then trim round it with a craft knife. I'll just quietly get on with this, come back to you in a bit. I've got that tape off it now, so what I'll do, I'll get on with sticking a bit of this double-sided tape on it. So I've got the tape on there, but what I need to do is trim round it, which is going to be fun, but I'll crack on with that and you go and have a brew or something. Got the backing on now. All I need to do now is just peel this backing off and they're ready to be stuck on the car. And that's going to be a faff. Well, there we go. Now for the big moment. Let's get the badges on. There we go. We can never now forget that it's an estate. I think that's pretty good on there. All festooned with its Gloriana. So, at least the badges were a success, even if the door were a failure. And that's looking better now for when it goes down to car show in August at Ebden Bridge. So, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in a further video. Bye for now.